Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to walk you through adding your chat directly into OBS Studio. This works whether you're streaming to Twitch or YouTube. Alright, first up, open up your browser, go to streamlabs.com and log in. Once you're there, pick your streaming platform. I'm using YouTube for this, but Twitch works the same way. It will ask for information and permissions. Go ahead and log in. Click the three lines in the upper left to open the menu. Now, head over to Streaming Tools and then Overlays. Click New Overlay and just leave the resolution set to 1080p. You are in the Overlay Editor. Click the little plus sign at the bottom. Go to Stream Tools and click on your Stream Chat. This brings up your chat preview where you can set it up. I recommend using these specific settings. Choose the custom theme. This will make the chat background transparent, which looks cool. Choose Show Message Permanently, or set the message fade after option to a few seconds. Click on Position Size and Style. Set the width to 600 and the height to 600. Now, click on Text Settings. Toggle that on, and here you can pick whatever font you like. I like Poppins. You can also choose your text color. For the font size, I find something between 25 and 30 works well. Choose the color white. You have a few more text customization options. Use them if you need them. Don't forget to hit Save. It will ask for the name. I go with the IT overlay. Once that's done, click the button in the upper menu that says Copy Overlay URL right there. Now, switch over to OBS Studio. Add a new source by clicking the plus sign in your Sources panel and choosing Browser. Name it like YouTube Chat Box. In the URL field, paste that link we just copied. Down below, in the Custom Size section, set it to 1280 by 1080, then click OK. Next, we need to tell OBS where to stream. Click on Settings, then go to Stream. Under Service, pick Twitch or YouTube, whichever you use. You'll need to connect your account there, or you can paste in your stream key manually. Hit Apply, then OK. It might open the OBS dockable chat box, which you can use or close. Click Manage Broadcast. Here you can add details for streaming like title, description, thumbnail, etc. Click Create Broadcast. Now, it starts streaming. Go to YouTube Studio and open your broadcast control room. You'll be live. If this guide helped you get your chat set up, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Maybe consider subscribing, and feel free to drop any questions down in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone.